Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, so you may have noticed I'm carrying my CHANEL patent vanity bag. And that is because for today's episode, we are going to do an in-depth review of the vintage CHANEL vanity bag. So we are going to discuss everything, all the good stuff. So the materials, the measurements, what fits inside, mud shots, and of course my final recommendation if you know this is a good addition to your wonderful bag collection. So if you want to find out everything all about CHANEL vintage vanity bag, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account at Ramirafy2. So let us start first with the specification, dimension, materials of this bag. So what I have here is I have two CHANEL bags. This one is in white caviar leather and this is in black patent leather, but they are all the same size. So let me just pick up the white vanity bag. So for the white CHANEL vanity bag, so the length of this one is from here to here, that would be 20 centimeters. The width of this one from here to here, that would be 14 centimeters. And the height from the bottom going to the topmost part, that is 11 centimeters. So for the material, so like what I mentioned, the vintage CHANEL vanity bags comes in different materials. So like for example, this one, if we're going to zoom in, one moment. So this is in caviar leather as you are going to see here. So this means this is in calfskin. So you're going to see the graining. And then of course we have the patent leather. And then of course I don't have it in my collection, but it also comes in the lambskin leather. The colors that you could purchase this, of course, it comes in black. It comes in red as well. I'm going to put some photo here. I've seen one in mustard yellow. Then one of the most rarest color of the vintage vanity bags, I'm not kidding guys, it would be color white. So this one, I'm super lucky because the color of this one, the seller, the Japanese reseller said that this is an untouched color, so everything is all original as you can see, and I have already had this authenticated and it is 100% authentic. Yay, super happy. So those are the color that it comes with and the materials. And of course I would like to make mention guys that the hardware of this one, since this is a vintage vanity bag, it comes in the 24K gold hardware. Yay, super nice as you can see. And then of course for the sizes of this one, so the vintage vanity bags comes in two sizes. So the first one are these bags. So these are the shortest vanity bag. So again, the height of this one is only 11 centimeters. And then I'm going to put a photo here, the second height, the biggest one. I'm not really sure, but I'm going just to put a photo here for comparison. Then of course for the prices, so you could purchase this vintage vanity bag. It's still available via Fashion File. I'm going to link on the description box below, but the price range, so it ranges from 995 USD to 1,390 USD. And what I've seen at Fashion File is the black lambskin. I have not seen the black caviar. And as we know, some of the resellers, they are going to resell more the black caviar, especially if, for example, your vintage vanity bags would come with, let's say, the authenticity, then it would come with the hologram sticker. So I'm so lucky because for this authenticity card, this is for the black patent leather, and she also comes with the hologram sticker. It doesn't come with the authenticity card, but it comes with the hologram sticker and the Japanese boutique seal, and I had her already in Shopee and it is 100% authentic. Yay! So you may be asking what are the ways we could wear the Chanel Vintage Vanity bag, because again, it doesn't come with any D-ring. Yes, that is correct. So if you are okay to be carrying this one, aside from just putting your toiletries here or makeup set, me personally, I would be using them as a bag. Later, we are going to do what fits inside. So yes, it doesn't come with any provision to add a shoulder strap. Some would add here or put it here on this leather tab over here, but I would be advising you not to do that because it may damage, it may rip this part here and it may damage the bag. So what you could do is you could purchase this. Shannon! So you could purchase these D-rings over here from your local Amazon or any online store here in the Philippines. I purchased this via Shopee. I'm going to link it on the description box below. So you could unscrew this one by hand and then you can attach it here. So I have an example. Let me just get my Louis Vuitton Mimi here. So as you can see, it's already attached. So there. So once it attached on two sides, then maybe you could add, you know, your own twillies or bando, and then from there, you could already attach any shoulder strap that you may have on your collection. Me, what I was planning with the Chanels is I'm going to purchase a chunky pearl strap that I could attach on this one. I'm going to put a photo here for reference because I feel that is so very Chanel. Super chic and very fashion forward. So definitely that is one style that you could carry. So with the shoulder strap, then definitely you could carry it as a crossbody and as a shoulder bag. Then of course you could carry her as a top handle bag. Hi guys, so here are multiple ways on you could carry this bag. So just like to point out that my height is 5'5". So of course you could carry her as a top handle like this. And then of course guys, you could purchase this via Amazon. Here in the Philippines, we call it at Shopee. So it's a detachable D-ring. So you could transform this very beautiful vanity bag into a shoulder bag. Then of course, I just have attached my very own shoulder strap. So it's just moving guys. So maybe for more added touch, you could add twillies to the handle, but it doesn't bother me. But I would still be looking for my very own twilly. So this is how it would look like carry as a shoulder bag. So before guys, when I did the review, I said it's a little bit awkward carrying it as a shoulder bag, but honestly when I tried this couple of days ago, the whole day guys, mind you, I carry this the whole day like this, and it doesn't bother me while walking out. I feel that the shape and size is very, very helpful. And then of course, since this is a shorter strap, as you can see here, if it doesn't bother you like this, then that would be okay as well. Alright, so now let's do what fits inside. I'm going to use my black patent leather because the inside of this one is 10/10, because the white vanity here, I haven't purchased an insert yet. So let us, again guys, the length of this one is just 20 centimeters by 14. So here are the essentials that I would normally bring with me. So I have my Chanel pouch. So with my Chanel pouch, what would be inside? So just to show you, number one would be my card holder. So this is where I'm going to keep my cash, my bills, and my credit cards and ID. I have my oil film blotter over here. Of course, if I have much space, then I'll be bringing my face cream if I need some touch-ups. Then of course, I have my lip gloss in lip color. And it still has more space, so I would be putting here the phone cable charger, and I would be putting a set of my keys over here so it would not damage the bag. So I would be bringing this. So obviously guys, I cannot put this upright because it is much taller compared to the vintage vanity bag. So what I would be doing is I'm going to lay her like this. So it has more space. So what I would be getting next would be, I would be needing my power bank. So of course, whenever I would be going out, I need this for extra battery just in case I would run out, especially if I would be doing shopping vlog. My phone is charging guys, so here is the casing. So I'm going to put her as well here. maybe I'm going to add a second phone. So this is a smaller phone. So the first phone that I have is a 6S Plus, and this one is a 5S, a little bit smaller as you can see. It still has some space. Then maybe another pouch. So if you have anything else, maybe I could put in, like, let's say my hand sanitizer here and tissue, then put it here. Or maybe you could also add your sunnies or sunglasses, and voila, it zips all the way in. So it's a little bit heavy but not too heavy. So these are the things that I would need on a daily basis. So just be very careful, guys, not to overstuff her and not to make her really heavy, because again, there's a tendency that this part here would rip. So now it's full. So as you can see sideways, it's not really bulging out. The bulging out, guys, it's because again the aging of the vanity bag. But in general, she is still very good. Yay! What do you think, guys? Alright, so for my final recommendation, so if you're going to ask me what would be my recommendation, so my answer is a definite and a big yes for a couple of reasons. So number one, of course, the price of a vintage Chanel vanity bag, definitely it would not be breaking your bank compared to, for example, you are going to purchase new vanity bags of Chanel. Then of course, the look of this one, so if you are a huge fan of vanity bags just like myself, then definitely go for this one. And of course, the versatility of this bag. So yes, she doesn't come with any shoulder strap, but just like what I did here, I added the D-rings and then I added my very own shoulder strap. Thus, I was able to transform her. And guys, I just wanted to share, I've just used her very recently, and I was pleasantly surprised on how I really love and enjoyed using this bag. I feel that this is a carefree bag that you could use on a day-to-day basis. I was able to pack it to the brim. That is why, guys, this is a good addition to your bag. Just look for a vanity bag that would be, you know, would pass your liking, the condition of it. Like for example, my recommendation would be a Caviar Chanel vanity bag. So hope you enjoyed today's recommendation. So hope you enjoyed today's review, guys. So if you have any comments, suggestion, or you wanted to share something with our wonderful loving community here, guys, please do comment down below. I would love to hear from each and every one of you. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you could easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramira52. Again, guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you. Bye!